In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a blog with WordPress. And to get started, here is what we require. First of all, make sure you have an active web hosting account with KoboPress and you have a domain. If you don't have a domain, you'll be able to generate a free subdomain from your KoboPress web hosting account. So to get started, you need to log into your KoboPress control panel. You visit kobopress.com and log into your control panel. So once you log into your control panel, be sure to be in the client services client area. Once you're in the client area, you'll be able to see hosting from managed services. So once you click on hosting, you'll be able to add a hosting package. Add hosting. Here, enter your domain. If you've registered a domain, you can add the domain here. Otherwise, enter a subdomain. Remember, you can generate a KoboPress subdomain by appending the name of your domain to kobopress.com, such as myblog.kobopress.com. So once you append the name of your subdomain to the main domain, which is kobopress.com, it will automatically generate a subdomain for you. So don't forget to put the dot here before kobopress.com. So in this case, our subdomain is going to be myblog.kobopress.com. So once you've entered the domain or subdomain, come to select allowance and click the hosting package. In this case, Trainee Unlimited, which is the 1 year free hosting package that was given to you by signing up for this training. So if you've selected that, click Add Hosting and wait a couple of seconds for your subdomain to be configured. So once that is done, it is going to uh, it's going to take you to where you'll be able to install WordPress on your subdomain and create your blog. So once you've configured a hosting package on your domain or subdomain, it's going to appear here. Then click Manage and scroll down to one-click installs. From there, you can click WordPress in order to install WordPress on the domain. So you only need to follow the on-screen instructions by clicking WordPress and install WordPress on the domain like we did in the previous lesson. So once you're done installing WordPress on the domain, the next thing you need to do is log into your WordPress dashboard. So after logging into your WordPress dashboard, that is your WP admin, uh, you need to first of all install a theme. So you point to Appearance, Themes, and click Add Themes. From here, you can install any of these available themes. But my favorite theme is this Blogsy theme. So you need to install and activate it. So once you install and activate the Blogsy theme, you can import a starter template. So I'm going to click on Blogsy because I have the theme installed already. So once I click on Blogsy, I'm going to also click on starter templates to enable me import one of the starter templates so I can easily customize it and make up or set up my blog. So I'll either scroll down to any of these templates of my choice, or I can simply search for a blog template by entering blog here. So once I enter blog, here it's going to open up some of the templates that are built for blogging purposes. So like this news template, so you can install it. You can install any template of your choice. Or let me choose a different one. Okay, let me import the news template. Just follow through the steps and install the template. So it's probably going to take a few seconds more for your good template to be successfully imported. So now you can review the template you've imported to see how it looks. This is the news or blog template we just imported. So this template is very good to create any blog or news or magazine website or blog. So once you've imported the template successfully, you can customize it to your branding and text. So you can go to the header and edit the logo. You may replace the existing logo with a pre with your own logo. You can replace this logo with your own logo, or uh, just use your site title, something like this. So once you're done, click publish. So you can do other customizations like changing the color scheme, changing the typography, and even the layout of your blog. And then you can further edit these menus. Once you click on any of those elements, it can take you to where you'll be able to edit the menus. So you can also set your social links. These are the social links. So if you click on socials, you'll be able to remove any item from this that you don't want. And you can set you can set links. You can set your social links from here. So once you're done, you click publish. So the changes will reflect on your blog. This button, this is it here. If you don't want it, you can remove the button. Yeah. So you can literally customize any aspect of this website. Also, the footer. This is the footer. The footer has 3 or 4 widgets. This is the copyright section. The copyright section. Let's go to the live blog to see. This is the copyright. So you can replace it with any text of your choice. Let's say you want to remove the team author, which is in this case creative teams. You want to remove this text. You can replace that team author with your name or your company. Click published, and then go and refresh your blog. You see that the change you have made is now live. So you can also edit all these widgets. It's popular posts, about us, contact information. There are 3 widgets. This is widget 1, widget 2, widget 3. Like you can see here, if you click on this widget area, it's going to show you the widget that is used here. Popular posts, widget 2. You see the information here. So you can remove the information you don't want and or edit this to suit you. So you can edit all these widgets and include your own information. So once you enter your own information, always click publish. And then when you visit or refresh your page, that information you've entered is going to become live on your blog or website. So once you're done, you can always exit back to your WordPress dashboard or WP admin. And now you can edit the information on the pages. These are the follow come pages. You can delete the pages that you don't want. Some of these pages are only meant for demo purposes only. So it is always best to delete the ones that make no sense to you. Move to trash. You delete the pages that you don't want. The ones you want, you can always edit them by clicking on the page and then edit this information to reflect yours. You can simply just click on any of this information and edit it and then click save. You can even replace these pictures. You can replace each of these photos, replace, and uploading your own images. You know, once you're done, you can always click save. And remember, you can always add your own new pages. And so to create your blog content, you will have to point to post and click add new post. So these are the demo posts that were published and imported with the template. So you can delete the demo pages or demo posts and then add a new blog post. Whenever you want to create content, you can always go to point to post and click add new post. So this is how to create a post. Remember, you can click the plus button here to add uh, a blog. You can add a blog element. Yeah. So whenever you want to add any block or element, you have to click the plus button. Let's say you want to add a list, a paragraph, a heading, a quote, an image. You can always find them from here, or even buttons and so on and so forth. So once you're done creating a blog, publish it. And there are some, remember we say blogs have categories and tags. So before you publish your blog post, always give it a tag. These are pre-created categories. Categories are pre-created. You can add a new category from your edit blog page, or you can always pre-create those categories. If you point to if you point to post, you'll see categories. You can click on that categories and see a list of categories that are imported with your blog. If they are not relevant for your purpose, you can delete them. You can select and delete the categories and then create new categories. So these categories you have created will become visible when you want to create a blog post. If you move to categories, you'll see that those categories you just created can appear here now. So You can click or choose a relevant category for the post and then publish or save. So this is essentially how to create a blog with WordPress. And if you need any further help customizing and editing your blog, you can always ask in our Facebook community and we'll be right there to assist you. To see you in the next class.